Hello everyone. So in the last class we discussed about the quadratic polynomial, how to find zeros, how to find the relation of coefficient with zeros. So we got the relation. Suppose this is quadratic polynomial, px equal ax square plus bx plus c. So say alpha and beta are the zeros. Then we got two relations. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a. What is b? B is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square. What is c? C is the constant term, a is the coefficient of x square. So in this question, first see the question, find the zeros of the following polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. This is the relation between zeros and coefficient. First you have to find the zeros. Okay, then you have to verify this relation. Clear? So for finding the zeros, first you have to take, say this is px equal 3x square minus x minus 4. So how can you factorize this? We have to factorize this first. Okay, splitting the by formation of splitting the middle term. By the formula of splitting the middle term, you have to factorize this one. First, what was the process? You have to see these two numbers. 3 into 4, 12, and plus minus, it is minus 12. What is the coefficient of x? It is minus 1. You have to split this 12 into two numbers so that the product of the numbers is 12 and sum of the number is 1. Sum, or it may be subtraction, minus. Clear? How it will be? It is 4 into 3 you can write. 4 3s are 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Now the thing is here 1 is minus. That means the answer should be minus. So the greater number will contain minus. Dangor to minus hobo, horu to plus hobo. Yeah, to minus 4 into 3. That is minus 12. So we can write 3x square minus 4x plus 3x. This minus x we can write as minus 4x plus 3x. So minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, and minus 4 into 3, 3 into 4, 12. Now take the common from these two term. You can take x as common, it will be 3x minus 4. Here you can take 1 as common, 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 and x plus 1 are the two factors of px, means of this. Now for finding 0, see, say if px is 0, then 3x minus 4 is 0, or you can write either 3x minus 4 is 0 or x plus 1 is 0. So দুটা number যেতিয়া multiply থাকে, যদি হিয়তৰ product তো 0 হ'ব লাগে, হয়তো কোনবা এটা 0 হ'ব, either it may be 0 or it may be 0. Here value of x will be x equal 4, 3 ইফালে multiply আছে, ইফালে আহিলে divide, 4 by 3. Here value of x is minus 1. So this is the value of x. And what was the zeros? So zeros was, 0 was means the value of the variable present in the polynomial. So what is the value of variable? 4 by 3 and minus 1. These are the two zeros of the given polynomial. Now we have to verify the relation. So this is the solution. First, the zeros are 4 by 3 and minus 1. Now we have to verify the relation. The relation was sum of zeros. That is alpha plus beta. So what is alpha? Alpha is 4 by 3 and beta is minus 1. So you have to write 4 by 3, beta is minus 1, so plus minus 1. The LCM is 3. Here 4 minus 3. That is 1 by 3. Now we know that alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So we can write also minus b by a. What is b here? B is, here it is 1 na? So b is minus 1. Minus, b is minus 1. What is a? A is 3. Minus minus plus 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So relation is verified. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. The relation is verified. Next, second, product of zeros. product of zeros. It is C by A. C by A, what is, product of zeros, it is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta means you have to multiply these two. 4 by 3 into minus 1. So it is minus 4 by 3. Also, what was the product of 0? Product of 0 was C by A. What is C? C is minus 4. What is A? A is 3. Sorry, C is minus 4, A is 3. So therefore, alpha into beta is equal to C by A. So the relations are verified. First, sum of 0 loi phele alpha plus beta value ulialo. Right side is minus b by A. These two are same. And also product of 0 is 4 by minus 4 by 3. And right side of C by A is also minus 4 by 3. So alpha beta equals C by A. So the relations are verified. So what is the process? First, you have to find a 0 by prime factorization method. Okay, these are two zeros. The value of x, alpha is 4 by 3, beta is minus 1. Then sum of zeros this one, product of zeros this one. The answer, first find the zeros, then verify the relation of sum of 0 and product of 0. So now see the another type of question. Find a quadratic polynomial whose sum of 0 is this one, minus 4 by 3, and product of 0 is 2. So how can you do this question? The previous question was, you have to find the zeros, then verify the relation of zeros and coefficient. That means sum of 0 is minus b by A and product of 0 is c by A. Now in this question, you have to find the polynomial. So solution, let alpha and beta be the zeros. Okay, zeros of the quadratic polynomial also you can write. So given alpha plus beta, sum of zeros is minus 3 by 4 and product of zeros is 2. So therefore the required quadratic polynomial is, already I have given the formula in the previous lecture. Okay, the formula was k. K is a constant, whole into x square minus alpha plus beta whole into x plus alpha into beta. Only you have to put the values of sum and product. So right here k x square. What is alpha plus beta? It is minus 3 by 4 x. What is alpha into beta? It is 2. X square minus, it is 3 by minus plus 3 by 4x plus 2. Now next line you have to take the LCM of this one. So here it is k, LCM is 4, it will be 4x square plus it will be 3x plus the third term will be 4 into 2, 8. Now you have to remove the constant k. How you can remove? What is the denominator? A denominator to value jitu 4 ase noy, k value to himan ami thori lobo lagibo. So jodi k value to 4 low, then ki hobo? 4x square plus 3x plus 8 by 4. This 4 and 4 will be cancelled. The polynomial is 4x square plus 3x plus 8. Here only you have to write, say k equal to 4. And this is the required quadratic polynomial. How? It is how you get the answer? First you have to take the zeros. Then given sum of 0 is minus 3 by 4. Then product of 0 is 2. Alpha plus beta in minus 3 by 4. Product is 2. Required polynomial is k. This is the formula. Just you have to write the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now what is in the denominator? Means after taking the LCM lower bisot jonto denominator thakibo hetu LCM dollar k value kiman dhoribo lagibo, then that will be cancelled and only the numerator will be the answer. Jodi fraction nathaka eko, then value of k will be 1. Suppose this is another type of equation, polynomial, k whole into 3x square plus x square plus 2x plus 3. Clear? then the value of k will be 1. Why? Because there is no denominator. Heneka type of question tomorrow exam at ahibo in class 10 or second chapter it exercise is a second question. Okay, so in the next class we will again discuss some relations of alpha and beta. How can you find some relation of alpha and beta with the help of a quadratic polynomial? So itu lecture bhalke sai tomaloke yare NCERT thak eta man question practice koriba, then you can move towards the next topic, relation of alpha beta in some question. Okay, thank you.